Hello guys, welcome back again after a very long time. Today is 31st of October. Happy Diwali. Koi sai Diwali celebrate tawri ko. Koi su Diwali ki dinner macha macha se nai imana ba yum da lai. Mayam se light fajaba thandana. Koi Manipuri na wana riba. Bom la mayam se na. View ni sina ko ju Diwali enjoy ko la your friend give him da yes chana si moi da hello hi happy Diwali full decoration da udra Pinky say hi Vivek dada here Vivek here and Sakshi, how are you?
I'm fine.
It's a long time. This time no knee injury, no ankle injury. So good, see? Yay! And here are what's this?
This
This is juice. Juice. And this one, Vivek dada is special. This one I think.
that is our
Here.
sale routine.
And here we have our naughty girl, Milo. Come here, Miley. Ding, 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 ding. Come, Miley. Come.
Pari jau, mitrataale bolauche. Pari jau, mitrataale bolauche. Pirsiye ko cheli batilai samjhana le just count, hey samjhana le just count. Aaye meri bhai.